Welcome to Tsem Rinpoche's Paranormal Zone, and I am Tsem Rinpoche, and we have come to a secluded, quiet, wooded area of Kuala Lumpur. And what we're going to be talking about in this part of my blog, or this category of my blog, is paranormal subjects. Things like ghosts, things like Bigfoots, UFOs, chupacabras, etc., etc. And I'm going to bring you stories and testimonials and maybe even facts about some of these things. I'm not condoning it, and I am also not saying they don't exist. I'm just sharing with you an interest that I have had since I was a very young child. So I invite you to join me in this part of my blog and to listen up for stories, because we're going to have a professional team behind me to do this work. And we're going to bring you stories, we're going to bring you videos, and I think you're going to enjoy it.